Hi there. My name is Marc Regnier, owner-operator of Marc's Showroom Shine. I've been a professional mobile auto detailer for 20 years in doing cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and everything in between. I started detailing at the earliest level when I was just a teenager and started earning a full-time living at it since 2006 and still going strong, God willing. I specialize in exterior work, which includes washes, polishes, compounding, headlight and taillight restoration, light to medium scratch removal, clay bar services, window treatments, and paint protection using paint sealant. I use quality materials and employ methodical methods. Brand new microfiber cloths are used on each and every single vehicle restoration I personally perform. I have thousands of jobs under my belt and have numerous testimonials from satisfied customers over the years. Here is a sample of the quality of my work in today's video and what you can expect should you use my exterior detailing services. Use this YouTube QR code to get to my website. Note, I do not offer interior detailing. Sincerely, Marc Regnier, owner-operator of Marc's Showroom Shine, Nova Scotia, Canada, 902-717-7177. Today's date is May 26th, 2026, and I'm with my customer Darrell. Hi there, Darrell.
How you doing?
You were a repeat customer from last year, correct?
Did a good job last year. Why not do it again?
Oh, I appreciate that. Thank you. All my customers this year have been repeat customers, and I really do appreciate that you gave me the privilege of detailing once again. Just basically a touch-up more than anything. I ended up doing a little scratch removal on one of the doors, and give you that at no extra charge just because you're a repeat customer. And I just want to say thank you once again for allowing me at your home and to detail your 2017 Cadillac XT5, all black.
Yep.
And we've taken some pictures that I'll put up on the channel. And I just wanted to ask you, on a scale from 1 to 10, according to the price and according to what we agreed to, how do you like the work I did for you today?
It's definitely a 10.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
It looks like new.
Nice.
I like the gleam and everything. It looks like new.
Does it remind you a bit of the work I had done for you last year?
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Yeah. And anyway, we're out here in Middle Sackville, Nova Scotia, and it was a privilege to be able to work for you today. Thank you for the water. And we're just going to do a cleanup, but I basically just wanted to put this in a video, the conversation, and I don't think I'll have to edit it. It's fairly brief, but I'll hopefully might have the opportunity to do it again for you next year and do it at least once a year. That's what I suggest. You never,
come back and see me.
It all depends if you still have it or not. Even.
That's right.
All right. Well, I appreciate your
appreciate
your time, and thank you very much for the work again.
No problem. Thank you.
And I want to thank you also for the generous tip you're giving me here today. I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Thank you.